Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Now we will do today's practice in your cursive writing book. This is your cursive writing book and we will do cursive practice in your cursive writing book. So let us start. We will open page number 33 in your cursive writing book. We will open page number 33. Firstly, we will mention date. Today's date is 17 of August 2020. Then we will mention SW and draw the underline also. Joining of letters. Let practice capital and small letters. Joining of letters and let's practice capital and small letters. हम इसमें capital और small letters की practice करेंगे. How to make. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we will put dot. You can see I am already dot put here because after put the dot it is easy for us. So let's start. We will start from dot. You can see how to make capital cursive S and small cursive S. You can see how to make capital cursive S and small cursive S. You will make also like this. Now we will make capital cursive T and small cursive T together. We will start from dot and make like this. Now we will make capital cursive T again. We will start from dot and make like this. You can see how to make capital cursive T and small cursive T. Now we will make capital cursive U. We will start from dot and it will be make in 3 lines like this. Now we will make small cursive U and it will be make in 2 lines. Again we will make one more time. We will start from dot and make like this. You can see how to make capital cursive U and small cursive U. Now we will make capital cursive V and small cursive V together. We will start from dot and make like this. You can see how to make capital cursive V and small cursive V. Firstly you will put dot, then after you will make, because after put the dot it is easy for us, so firstly you will put dot also. Okay, now we will make capital cursive W and small cursive W together. We will start from dot and make like this. You can see how to make capital cursive W and small cursive W together, and you will make also like this. Now we will make capital cursive X and small cursive X together. We will start from dot and make. Don't break your pencil while making capital cursive X. Okay, now we will make small cursive X. Don't break your pencil while making cursives. You can see how to make. Now we will make capital cursive Y and small cursive Y together. It will be make like this, and you will make also like this. Capital cursive Y will be make in 4 lines and small cursive Y will be make in 3 lines. Now we will make capital cursive G. We will start from dot and make like this. You can see how to make capital cursive G and small cursive Z. And you will make also like this. You can see how to make S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z, and you will make also same like this. Now we will make in our next class and do your assignments same like this in lining, neat and clean. Okay, bye bye children, take care.